Hi, I'm John White. You're watching Time on the Water. We're fishing Georgian Bay.
There's no such thing as a bad day of fishing on Georgian Bay, just days that you don't catch as many fish. 30,000 Islands has more shoreline than you can see in a lifetime. The bay is in a constant state of change, dealing with lower water levels, invasive species, and climate change. But in spite of its challenges, the warm water fishery is nothing shy of outstanding. Invasive species like zebra mussels and quagga mussels have depleted the cold water food web. Declining water levels have eliminated a lot of spawning habitat for pike and muskie. Bass is one species that has benefited from climate change. They seem to be thriving in this environment. Populations are high and the average size is larger. Northern pike is one of the most sought-after species on the bay. Like most Great Lake pike, they live longer and grow larger than average. Pike are the target today, and one of the most productive areas is south of Parry Sound near the mouth of the Moon River. The area's claim to fame is actually muskie, and the Ontario record comes from the Moon River system. Transition periods can be a difficult time to find. We'll start the day throwing jerkbaits like the live target smelt. That represents the transition forage. We'll also throw some inline spinners like Northland's booby trap. There's no shortage of 24 to 30-inch fish. It's not what we came for, but they sure are a lot of fun. This fish had been caught before. It had a torn gill which had healed. It shows that not all fish that are hooked in the gills die. We started to get some pretty good fish, not what we were looking for, so we moved out, moved deeper, moved slower, changed to swim baits. Swim baits in 40 feet of water finally did the trick. We've had a great season since the opener on May 1st. That'll be our last trip to Georgian Bay this year for pike. Next trip to the bay will be for bass. I hope we can get some of those big brown ones. I hope you're with us. Thanks for watching.